Mock meaning pronunciation. Mock rhymes with rock. Mock means to make fun of someone in a rude way. It means to laugh at someone, copy them, or tease them to insult them. Simple meaning. Mock equals make fun of / tease / ridicule. Other common meanings. 1 mock verb, to make fun of someone. 2 mock adjective, not real but made to look real practice or fake. Example, mock test, mock interview, mock drill. 3. Mock noun, a person or act that makes someone look foolish. Example, his words were a mock of my effort. Types easy. 1. Mocking a person. Don't mock him. 2. Mock practice. We have a mock test today. Examples daily use sentences. 1. Please don't mock others. 2. They mocked his accent. 3. He felt sad because people mocked him. 4. Our teacher took a mock test before the final exam. 5. She is preparing for a mock interview. Real-life explanation. If someone copies your voice or your walk to make others laugh and make you feel bad, that is mocking. But if you are doing a mock test, it means a practice test, not the real exam. Synonyms. Tease, ridicule, make fun of, laugh at rude way. Opposites. Respect, praise, support. Quick mini quiz. Choose the correct meaning. Don't mock your classmates. A. Don't help your classmates. B. Don't make fun of your classmates. C. Don't study with your classmates. Correct answer, B. Comment question. Write 1 sentence using mock any meaning. Example, we have a mock test tomorrow.